Sorry guys, I did it. I went for it. I couldn't help myself. Don't look at me like that. I was weak. I went for it, guys. I went for it. I went for it. Let's take it away, guys. So it's the Mielle Babassu conditioning shampoo for dry and curly hair, as well as the Mielle Babassu and mint deep conditioning. This is a protein and moisture replenisher. So I mean, it's like killing two birds with one stone. So you have all the natural ingredients. You know, for those of you that don't want any chemical in your product, knock yourself out. So I've also got the hair milk, hair moisturizer, avocado, hair moisturizing hair milk, as well as the white peony leave-in conditioner. Straight on, I head into the shower to shampoo my hair. The shampoo was quite like not all that. It's really runny, unlike anything I've seen. Consistency wise, as you can see, it lathers really well. I have no complaint as far as lathering goes. It cleans my hair as any shampoo would. This is a sulfate-free shampoo. I don't know if I've said that before. It's a sulfate-free shampoo. So I only did one lather on this and I was good to go. I wish the consistency on that shampoo was a bit more thicker. Although that be running might be a good thing for natural hair people, so it just kind of spread into your scalp nicely. So I'm feeling my hair just to see how it's feeling. It felt good. It felt clean and soft. It wasn't stripped. So I like that about this shampoo. Is it replaceable? Absolutely. So I moved on to the Babassu and mint deep conditioner aspect of this. Look, this deep conditioner is so runny, even runnier than rinse out conditioner. I'm just gonna give my pros and cons as I go along, because this video is not a long video, so I want to squeeze everything in. That cup there is only eight fluid ounces. I mean, hang on guys, I'm feeling something. This product, as I'm applying it on, is sunk in. Now, because the consistency of it was really running, it's a good thing and a bad thing. It's a good thing because it spread easily and instantly make my hair soft. That means I can detangle it. It have a lot of slip to the hair, which I loved. So the bottle himself is only 8 ounces. I will be lucky if I can get 2 very, like on a push, maybe 3 use out of this. This is £14.99, guys. That treatment, you see how running it is? It's even runnier than some other rinse out conditioner I've used. Like I said, it's a good thing and a bad thing, but so far I think it's a good thing. I just wish the bottle was a little bit bigger. There's not a lot in there. 8 fluid ounces is not a lot. As you can see, not much hair on the comb. I mean, when a conditioner make your hair this soft, I mean, instantly, I didn't have to go to under the dryer 24 hours later for the effect to take place. Hair obviously there, it's gonna make it soft. How many strands is that? 1, 2, maybe 3. That I saw the hair that came out of all that 4 sessions. So I went under the dryer, deep condition for 15 minutes, and voila, my hair was as soft. The deep conditioner, because it have that Babassu and mint to it, it have this tingling feeling on my scalp, which I absolutely loved. So because I'm going to air dry, so I'm moving on now to apply the leave-in conditioner, which is the white peony leave-in conditioner. On the instruction of the moisturizer as well as the leave-in conditioner, it did say you can't use both you can't combine the leave-in conditioner as well as the moisturizer to get better results. So I completely knocked myself out again, you know, as I do. So I went in with the leave-in conditioner first and the moisturizer on top of that. Section my hair off as I go, so every hair, you know, receive the product that I'm putting in. So I'm not gonna go in with that hair moisturizer. I'm gonna apply that on top because I plan on air drying my hair. This is something you don't usually see me do. So I plan on air drying my hair, giving it as much of this moisture as much as I can. Hopefully gonna, smooth out, make sure my hair is not all, feeling certain way. When you air dry, that feeling. So far so good, guys. I'm in love with this product. The leave-in conditioner, the nozzle on it make it extremely easy to spray on comb rows. Love it. As I comb all that session, you can see the hair that is coming out. You can pretty much count it. The moisturizer himself might come straight away, as I can see. Yes, it make my hair soft. It was extremely moisturizing. The bottle then put it in is absolutely crap. Try getting that moisturizer, which is as thick as fuck, getting it out of that bottle they put it in into your hand. I nearly trumped. It was just ridiculous. I mean, I wish it was in a jar. Yeah, if they are listening, Mielle, if you're listening, get this moisturizer into a jar for us, will you? So while I was in the mood of knocking myself out, I went ahead and get the hydrating conditioner, protein free. This is a protein free, guys. For those of you who have protein sensitive hair, knock yourself out. While I was at it, the mid one is again the moisture Hawaii ginger moisturizing overnight deep conditioner. So I also got that. That is a video for another day. So far so good. My hair is feeling good. I'm in a kind of a air dry, want to call it mode now. So I'm gonna just walk around the house, do my hoovering, just fluff around a bit and let my hair dry. Just so if you guys don't know already how much I love that moisturizer in question. The very first bottle I started with has run out. I did not just go and get one or two or three. I have a total of 4, if not even 5. How many was I showing? 4 in total. I completely knocked myself out. I love this moisturizer so much. That is the bottle I started with, the one I was gifted. Somebody gave me one of these like a few months ago. Obviously, it got me hooked. I couldn't help myself like I stated at the beginning of the video. So yes, I knocked myself out. Love this moisturizer. Extremely moisturizing. Immediately I applied it on my hair. Any breakage just like disappeared, vanished, sparito. Love it. Now my hair is fully air dried. I'm not far from the end of this video, guys. Thank you so much for sticking with me. The last part I'm gonna do now, again, I'm gonna go in with that leave-in conditioner, which is the white pony leave-in conditioner. I'm gonna go in there, session my hair off in 4 sessions, as you've seen. Then after the leave-in conditioner, I go on top of that and I apply the moisturizer in. I'm kind of doing the LOC method if you wish. Again, because my hair is not going to be blow dried, I need as much softness as much as I can. So I'm going in to seal it in. Because this is the last part of this video now of my wash day, I can now seal it in with oil and have that done with. Zero hair on the comb. You ain't coming for me. You got nothing on me. So I seal that in with my oil of choice, oil concoction. There's a number of oils mixed in that bottle. So my hair is looking and feeling great. Guys, I'm in love with this product. Absolute in love. I cannot rave about this product enough. I just want to take this opportunity, guys, to thank you all so much for sticking with me, supporting this channel. If you've not already subscribed, do subscribe. That would be nice. And if you already have subscribed, thank you so much for your support. I'm gonna love you guys and leave it here. I will talk to you guys on the next one. I hope today's video was helpful to somebody. Ciao, ciao.